Right here, you have a lot of options you can sign up with. You can sign up with your email or phone number. You can sign up with your Google account or with your Apple account. If you select sign up with email or phone number, then you can go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number. You can also enter a referral ID. You can use my referral ID. I'll leave it in the description box, although referral ID is optional, and then just go ahead and click on next. But I want to sign up with a Google account, so I'll click continue with Google, continue. I'll go ahead and select the Google account I want to use, and then I'll paste in my referral ID right here and then click on confirm. And with that, your account has been successfully created. If you want to receive marketing updates, you can toggle this button here and then click on done. Next, we will need to log into our newly created account. So I'm going to click on login. And then if you registered using your email address or your phone number, you can enter your email or phone number right here. But I registered with my Google account, so I'm going to continue with Google, select the Google account. So you can see we are done with the first step, which is to create our account. The next step is to verify the account. You need to verify your account before you can get access to start trading cryptocurrencies on the platform. To verify your account, just go ahead and click on verify now. So to start the verification process, you first need to select your country of residence. Mine is already on Nigeria. Then the next step is to provide personal information, submit a government issued ID, and then you do a liveness check, and that will be all. So let's go ahead to all of these steps. I'll click on continue. Nationality, I'm going to select Nigeria. Then legal name, you want to enter your name right here. Let me just enter my name. You want to make sure that the name you enter here corresponds with the name you have on your ID. Then you can go ahead and enter your date of birth and then just click continue. Here you will need to enter your residential address and then click continue. Then enter your postal code, the city, and then country, and then click on continue. The next step is document verification. You want to select the issuing country, then select the type of document you want to use. There are a lot of options here. You can use your NIN, your ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. Let's say I'm going to use NIN and then click continue. And for that option, I'm going to enter my NIN, then click I have read and accept Binance privacy policy. After that, just click continue. The next step is face authentication, and for this you want to avoid wearing hats or wearing glasses or using filters, and then you want to make sure there is enough lighting on your face. To get started, just click on start verification. Here it says Binance would like to access the camera. Click OK. This process is very simple. You just need to follow the instructions, and as simple as that, I'm done with that step, and you can see verification successful. Now I can just go ahead and close. If you follow all these steps correctly, Binance is going to take some time to review and verify your account. Then you have access to all the features on the platform so that you can start buying or selling cryptocurrencies whenever you want to. Now, if I come over to my account section, just click on this account icon. For me, it is showing verification field, and that's because I already have a verified Binance account and I cannot create another account again. And that's one thing you need to know about Binance. You cannot have multiple accounts, but for your new account, if you submit the right information, your account is going to be approved in a very short time so that you can start using the platform. After your Binance account has been verified, you can just come over to security. To make sure your account is secured, you want to use two-factor authentication. So right now, it's just your email that is linked to your account. You can enable passkeys and biometrics. You can also use an authenticator app or your phone number. So
once you have all of these in place, you are actually ready to start using Binance for your cryptocurrency needs. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.